So into engineer, Lana you just may steal, but always make sure with it. Always with kind, right? So always make sure with it. And then you just udlala umile chorus bene jazz emzimbeni modlala yabo because ilana ubeka ngathi uyi-wine kule ndawo yona and akuma sithi kama
So right, man.
Sure bafethu ya bafo mfethu sisanda ukuthatha i-shooting nje encane bethe video la ingoma yethu ethi sasemncane bafethu sesehamba ke manje sisakhona ekhaya ezansi soqhubeka nawo umcimbi bafethu nibe right uThixo benani emphilise njalo
batele phe director mina how
okay da please uyena oproducer lapha no director wenza yonke into sihamba naye mfethu insizwa lapha yana yakandovela uMarvin bafethu siyabonga kakhulu danko
usasemncane ingoma le ngibhalile ingoma engayibhalela isalukwazi esangikhulisayo empilweni yami sihlale sikhona kukubi kukuhle ngathi no ake ngiyibhale ukuze naso ngelinye ilanga sithokoze ngemsebenzi yami nami engiyenzayo ukuze ngikwazi ukusilekelela ngilekelele nabanye abangilandelayo baningi abantu la ngaphandle abakhuliswa ugogo abakhuliswa umkhulu abanye bakhuliswa no aunt sengishilo ukuthi bafethu asizibambe iziqine okunye ukuthi ivideo ke ikhona bafethu ivideo yethu sayishayela khona ngale Port Shepstone endaweni yaseMachisini esigodini saseMadakane sizana nabafethu ke uDabliz siyamcela igama lakhe awukanqobe bese siza ke ngensizwa yakithi ekuthiwa uMarvin insizwa kaNdovela bafethu sizane kakhulu ke esishayile ngoma khona endaweni yangasekhaya komakhelwane nje le ndawo ekuthiwa ikacele esitolo sasibiza kanjalo kwekudala namanje sisasho kanjalo uthi ecele esitolo noma isitolo sesingekho because indawo yadayisa isikhathi eside kakhulu so sesafika sabona kukhona omano nobhuti sacela ukuthi hayi sacela nje ukuthi sisenze nangomsebenzi wethu la sibone ukuthi mhlambe singayela ngalapha hayi basivumela kahle futhi kamnandi sawenza umsebenzi wethu siyaqeda bekuhle kakhulu bafethu siyafisa ukuthi nangelinye ilanga abantu laba phuma khona bangakhohlwa
Hi everybody, I go by the name of Dabliz. I am the director of the music video Usasemncane by Indabugo. Also the producer, mixing engineer, blah 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 blah. Basically the idea we had of Usasemncane is because it's a story about Indabugo Isakhula and umuntu who was impactful in his life Isakhula Semncane. So it's just him sharing that story. So we thought of okay, cool, let us just fine-tune the texture video and bring it back to the old school. As you can see, there's a stolo sakdala. Editing it's quite old school, the whole texture film. So it was quite cool experimenting ganjalo. We had my co-producer Marvin on set, which is he's very good with those instant ideas on set. And then we shot it Kube Machisini, which I thought it's great if you do it there because he will relate more. And Kamnandi, there were people from his family around. So that video as a whole, it's a warm video.
Ya ke bafowethu igama kusayona indabuko yesizwe bafowethu sila eMadakane ePortshepstone endaweni ekuthiwa iseMachisini sisekhaya ke njengamanje endaweni ekuthiwa iseMadakane ngisasho namanje ke sidakeni la ikhona kakhulu wami ke lamfethu kuboka mama wami sisokwenza lo msebenzi wengane encane kuthiwa ngisasemncane mina sizobathi nje fahla abantu bazobona ukuthi sibaphatheleni bafethu ngiyabonga kakhulu nileke nje ni-like and subscribe lapho indabuko yesizwe ngihamba noTaPlease bese ngiphinda ngihamba noMarvin Ndovela bafethu siyabonga kakhulu ukuphila makwande ngingakhohlwa sihamba nosiswethu la ngaphakathi akafuni ngimusha igama kulungile kodwa ke siyabonga kakhulu bafethu ukuphila makwande
sihamba noMarvin Ndovela
akafuni ngimusha igama muthi
Bashana njani?
Phela ba.
Cela nizisho amagama one by one.
Sisanda.
Mhm.
Alili. Wins. Tandokazi.
Lo munye samkele awubizi. Sure.
Nthi sike saye ekhaya siyokwenza yona ke video le. So sesiyenza bekugcwele. Bese nabo makhelwane bami laphayana okhulu bami bebonke izingane zasekhaya ezakomakhelwane nensizwe encane ngive ngayithatha ngathi abonake wena awufana nami nje ngisemncane ozala asami sokwenza nangumsebenzi lapha yabo so ngathatha nesalukwazi sami esisaluma ngathi ayisalukwazi ngoyidlale naye character la awu salukwazi vese athuka ngophela besingalindele sona ukuthi sizofakwa kulezi zinto lezi si-act sishawe ngama-camera lawo yayibolonto so kodwa ke sigcine swenzile umsebenzi waba muhle kakhulu sabasebenzisana kahle kakhulu nomphakathi wangakithi nomakhelwane bangakithi ngizothanda nje ukubonga nje kubona bonke abantu abangisupportile mekhona khona ukhulu wami khona ubaba uzala mina impela no sis no bhuti bami nje mebekhona siyabonga kakhulu engathi nje ngahlala kuqhubeka njalo umndeni uhlangene ungahlukani Thixo nje ahlale njalo enathi sonke siyabonga kakhulu bafethu
we also shot Kubo at his place and we got to go kwakhe to act as ugokwakhe on the actual video. She was great. Gogo, yeah, she was great. Bungathi mhlawumbe idalwa ex Gogo. And then we have a little kid who's also very good. Who acted as the young Ndabuko. Naye nje both of them were spontaneous. Yonke into beyenza on the go. Akoma retakes amaningi. It was just nje flowing. I guess the energy umoya ubulapho was just pure. And clean, so your kinder was smooth. So yeah, be sure to catch a video on Indabuko, the page on Indabuko. It is on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Like, share, subscribe, and then yeah, wait for the EP. EP is coming out. It's called Izinto Zomhlaba. It's a 5-track EP. Only just beautiful music, and that's just the beginning. We're just introducing Indabuko to you, preparing for the big album coming out. So stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share, and peace.
Bafethu ningakhohlwa ke lapha yana ku YouTube ukuthi ni subscribe ni like bese niya share niphinde futhi ni comment. Bafethu isicelo nje esihle ukuthi ningilandele nalapha ku Facebook, ningilandele nalapha ku Instagram, ningilandele na ku TikTok sikhona. Inina esiyozwa ngani bafethu ukuthi umsebenzi wethu hamba kanjani, mhlambe ukuphi lapha mhlambe singalingisa khona ngoba kuhle ukuthi mowenza umsebenzi okanje nabantu bezwe ukubathini bese wenza okright okuzojabulisa futhi nabo abantu kodwa ke kugcineni nathi funa sijabulile ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuphila makwande kini nonke thank you.